Welcome to this lesson on the dot product, also known as the scalar product of vectors. The dot product is one of the most important operations in vector mathematics and has numerous applications in physics and engineering. Throughout this video, we'll explore what the dot product is, how to calculate it, and most importantly, how it's used in real-world applications like work and energy. The dot product is a mathematical operation that combines two vectors to produce a scalar value, which is just a single number. The formula is vector A dot vector B equals the magnitude of vector A times the magnitude of vector B times the cosine of theta. Here, theta represents the angle between the two vectors. This operation measures how much two vectors align with each other in the same direction. We can also calculate the dot product using the component form, which is often more practical for calculations. If vector A has components a sub x, a sub y, and a sub z in the I, j, and k directions, and vector B has components b sub x, b sub y, and b sub z, then the dot product is simply a sub x times b sub x plus a sub y times b sub y plus a sub z times b sub z. This algebraic method gives the same result as the geometric formula. The dot product has several important mathematical properties. First, it's commutative, meaning vector A dot vector B equals vector B dot vector A second. It's distributive over addition, so vector A dot the sum of vectors B and C equals vector A dot vector B plus vector A dot vector C third. Scalar multiplication can be factored out. So k times vector A dot vector B equals k times the dot product of n b. Finally, the dot product of a vector with itself gives the square of its magnitude. Understanding what the dot product tells us geometrically is crucial. The dot product measures the alignment between two vectors. When the result is positive, the vectors point in similar directions with an angle less than 90 degrees. A negative result means the vectors point in opposite directions with an angle greater than 90 degrees. When the dot product is 0, the vectors are perpendicular to each other, forming a 90-degree angle. One of the most important applications of the dot product is in calculating work. In physics, work is defined as the dot product of the force vector and the displacement vector. This can be written as W equals vector F dot vector D, which expands to the magnitude of force times the magnitude of displacement times cosine theta. The key insight is that only the component of force that acts along the direction of displacement actually does work. Let's consider different scenarios of work. Maximum work occurs when force and displacement are parallel, meaning theta equals 0 degrees and cosine of 0 is 1. Zero work is done when the force is perpendicular to the displacement, where theta equals 90 degrees and cosine of 90 is 0. Negative work happens when force opposes displacement, with theta equal to 180 degrees and cosine of 180 equal to -1. The dot product also appears in the formula for kinetic energy. Kinetic energy equals 1/2 times mass times the dot product of velocity with itself. Since the dot product of a vector with itself gives the square of its magnitude, this simplifies to 1/2 times mass times the magnitude of velocity squared. This is the familiar kinetic energy formula, but expressed using the dot product. There are 3 important special cases to remember. When two vectors are parallel, pointing in exactly the same direction, their dot product equals the product of their magnitudes. When vectors are perpendicular, their dot product is 0. When vectors point in opposite directions, the dot product equals the negative of the product of their magnitudes. These cases are useful for quickly analyzing vector relationships. The dot product is essential for finding vector projections. The projection of vector A onto vector B is given by the fraction vector A dot vector B divided by the magnitude of vector B squared, all multiplied by vector B. The scalar projection, which is just the length of the projection without direction, is vector A dot vector B divided by the magnitude of vector B. Projections help us find how much of one vector lies in the direction of another. Let's summarize the key concepts. First, the dot product measures the alignment between vectors, telling us how much they point in the same direction. Second, the result is always a scalar, which is a single number, not another vector. Third, the dot product is essential for calculating work and energy in physics. Finally, it's used to find angles between vectors and to compute projections. Understanding the dot product is fundamental to mastering vector mathematics and its applications.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.